So the Guestling Hall Hotel is in Hastings, just off of the Rye Road. I'll show you the room as well, but that's the front of the hotel. You come off the Rye Road and you come up that long winding driveway there, and I'll show you the where you park. Well, you can see my car is just up there, but really friendly place so far. But I thought I'd come and show you excuse me, the outside. I'll show you the room, and I shall do a review later on. But so far I'm quite impressed. The reception staff, as I've already said, I think in the well, I've said it when I'm in the room, but I will say as soon as I got here I was offered a tea or a coffee. It's before I even checked in. So you come up the driveway there, park your car there, and then you'll go into that entrance there. But I wanted to come and have a look at the outside. There's a lovely little pond there. Oh, it's blimmin' freezing cold today, but it's still awesome to be out and about. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. I bet on a nice sunny day that's really cool to sit outside. I have to say, I'm quite liking this place a lot. I mean, there's some walks you can do around here as well, but you've got outdoor seating just over there. But that's the rear of the property. They've got function rooms and stuff here. They're refurbing the swimming pool, so that'll be open soon. Oh look, there's the horses up there. The lady said there were horses. I've got to go and have a look, haven't I? So upstairs. Pretty cool place. Look at that. Little single room. It's very nice. Very clean, very bright. So I am at the Guestling Hall Hotel, which is in Guestling in Hastings. It's a bed and breakfast hotel, and I've just walked through the door into my room. It's really bright and fresh. Lamps both sides. What they give me? Look, earplugs. Ooh, earplugs. Hopefully I won't need them. TV on the wall there. Nice light, towels provided. Oh, old style fireplace there. Some clothing hanging space there. A couple of hangers. Oh, hairdryer supplied. This is awesome. Kettle, tea, coffee, chocolate. Hot chocolate, that is. And as soon as I walked in, I was offered tea or coffee to drink just prior to checkout, and also given a complimentary bottle of Guestling Guzzler cider. It's a smooth Sussex cider. How awesome is that? Little desk there, should you need it. Nice little chair. So far so good. The decor downstairs, I will show you in a bit, is absolutely awesome. The new owners have had this place for just a couple of weeks, and they are making some changes. But so far, that's my view outside. There's a pond just down, drop the phone, just down there. And apparently there's some horses just over the back there somewhere. So they are just finding their feet here really, and I hope they do really well because they're so friendly. It's unbelievable. The lady at reception. There's me. Hello. So just the basic bathroom. Nice little shower there. All looks fairly clean, I have to say. Nice and bright and airy, as I said. Some complimentary toiletries there. Looks like some soap and shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, you know when you walk into a place and the vibe just feels absolutely right? Well, that's the vibe I got with this place, and I'll show you the rest of it in a little while. But look at this place. This is perfect for me. Nice big bed. What is that, a king size, is it? That's massive. Christ, I'll get lost in that bed. But there you go. So far, so good. Guestling Hall Hotel in Hastings. Horses! Can you see them? There they are. Oh. Enjoying the grass. Awesome. Got seating areas everywhere. As I said, summertime, on a lovely warm day, it'd be pretty cool to come and sit outside, wouldn't it? I'm loving it. I keep saying that, but I am. It's got a little bit of everything in this location. Little walks, nature, horses, stagnant water there, but it was pretty cool down there. I'm not going to go too far because I don't know where I am, but but yeah, you could have a nice walk that way. But I'm going to go inside, show you a little bit of the hotel inside. I already did in the room, so I'm probably repeating some of the information throughout the video, but you know, I'm not a professional hotel reviewer. I just like to detail places that I think are good to stay, and I think this one is a good place to stay. This is one of the guest lounges. It's got some really awesome artifacts. Wow. There's music playing in the background, so I will keep talking to try and get YouTube to not copyright me. There's fire here. It's very warm in here, I have to say. The fire in the other lounge is really, really hot. But yeah, cool place. Look at this. Nice.